Now available at McCarthy Cars, the 2010 BMW X5 xDrive40d 3.0 turbo diesel with a 302 horsepower. It's in metallic sapphire black finish, and it's got the 20-inch of BMW M Sport alloys. It's got front and rear parking sensors, a 360-degree parking camera. It's got 2 exhaust pipes, and by the way, it is a 7-seater. It's got electric tailgate, it's got slide privacy glass on the rear windows. Front view of the vehicle, it's got front forks, headlamp washers, and the NGY headlights with a daytime running lights. I'm gonna start from the rear 2 seats. Very easy to get in. Very well maintained. It's got 7 headrests. ISOFIX for child seat preparation. A rear center armrest with some cup holders. Rear heated seats. So here on the door it's got the electric windows and folding also. It's got twin electric seats, which the driver's side is memory. Auto headlights. And for your safety, it's got front, side and rear airbags. It's got push button to start. It's got electric power steering wheel. Multifunctional steering wheel. It's got a cruise control. The vehicle is done only 20,000 miles. No lights on the dash, as you can see. So this stick is the gearbox. It's got automatic gearbox, obviously. The center armrest with a foam preparation and some storage under it. So here in the middle, it's got a ashtray and 2 cup holders. It's got traction control, air conditioning with a climate control, front heated seats, it's got satellite navigation. So let me demonstrate. This is the reversing camera. You can choose between the 360-degree and the rear view camera. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, so it's got CD and DVD player. You can watch movies also. External device, it's got the aux in and the USB slot, which are under the armrest. Music collection is the hard drive, so you can store your music into it. So I'm gonna show you the available memory. It's got 12,500 megabytes of hard drive. It's got a rear dimming mirror. It's got obviously power and steering wheel, which feels softer than the X3 models. Quite nice and clean car. So this was the quick overview of the BMW X5 xDrive40d. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.